46. Contentment. Insatiability is one of the most common sins of our times, and too few see it as sin. The insatiable person is never contented. He never has enough of anything. No matter how much his income increases, it's never enough for him. He always wants more. However good his house is, he wants a better one. Such persons may have very good wives or husbands, but they always wish for a better one. Some are adulterous and are never satisfied. They keep looking for the perfect lover. For the insatiable, there is no peace. They can never enjoy what they have because they are insatiable for something more. Paul, however, tells us that there is a greater gain than getting the things we want. That greater gain is contentment. Godliness with contentment is great gain, for we brought nothing into this world, and it is certain we can carry nothing out. 1 Timothy 6:6 and 7. If you have no contentment, you have nothing, because the discontented person always despises the blessing already in hand. To be discontented means a radical lack of appreciation for every good gift God has given us. I was deeply moved recently when I spoke to some poor Christians from minority groups to see their radiant joy and gratitude for God's blessings. For what others would consider as nothing, these people were joyfully grateful and praising God.